Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan, and I need to do something with my hair. It's been sitting underneath things, as I mentioned in my last video, and I need to do things with it, like, you know, wash it, clean it, detangle it, deep condition it, style it. This week I'm going into one of my OGs, something that I've had bought several times, and I've just never reviewed it. And actually, the jar that I have right now is just about at the end. What is it, do you ask? What's an OG? An OG? Something that everybody knows?
Now everybody knows.
Been around for a good minute. Everybody didn't used it. Like, well, maybe not everybody, but
A lot.
like a bunch. Shea Moisture. Jamaican black castor oil, and it is very specifically the leave-in conditioner. So as you know, with Shea Moisture products, of course, they don't have sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, petroleum. They're not tested on animals. And on the Shea Moisture website, if you've never been, it's actually a pretty nice website just because they have so many different lines. They actually do break down the hair types that the products are good for, and with the Jamaican black castor oil line, from what I saw, it is good for types 3 and 4, which fits me. So yeah, this is an OG. This is an OG leave-in conditioner. It's always worked so well. Let me go into the shower, get the day going, and then I will come back, show you how this works on my hair. Hey, it's me. Hair has been washed, deep conditioned. Look at that. Can y'all see that? I am ready to go. Go in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So once again, like I said, this is an OG product. I started using this very early on when I was initially growing out my hair. It's Shea Moisture, it's everywhere. It's Jamaican black castor oil, which we know has great benefits, along with peppermint, shea butter, and apple cider vinegar. So let's crack this bad boy open, show you what it looks like. It has a kind of beigey, taupey color to it. And you definitely, so I don't smell peppermint, but I think it's a mixture of the shea butter and the Jamaican black castor oil and a hint of the apple cider vinegar. It's mainly the Jamaican black castor oil and a mix of the shea butter. So it's not overpowering, but it's a very bold, it's a very bold scent. Speaks loudly to the names in the, wait, hold on. It speaks loudly to the ingredients that are in it. So for the consistency, and I get a decent sized little glump here. Definitely extremely creamy. So if we were going to compare this consistency to a lotion, this would definitely be sensitive skin. It's a bit thinner. It's on the thin side. It's on the thin side. So I would definitely think that this would be like a sensitive skin lotion type of consistency. Thin, moves easily, and the scent is still there. It's pretty consistent. It doesn't go away. It doesn't lessen. It's the exact same as you smell it when you open the jar as when you are applying it to your hair. We are good. It is applied. It is worked in really thoroughly. So now I'm going to jump into applying the rest of the leave-in over my hair. She can't tell me nothing if it ain't money that she costing me.
Last time you came over here and she was going to the deck, you know what she did? She tripped over the wall.
Baby, she would have did that leaving out the kitchen. Bad example.
No, I did not.
All applied. So let's talk about what it did and if there's anything that I need from it. So it says it was going to soften and moisturize my hair. Well, my hair definitely does feel soft. It does also say that it was going to help to control frizz, which I think that for a leave-in that's not necessarily a styler, I think that it's actually pretty good. It's not as frizzy and puffy as other leave-ins that I have used. I can definitely feel clumps of my curls still in there. And like I said, my hair is definitely soft. So yeah, I think that it did that. Now, since I always detangle with my deep conditioners, when I was applying it, I was running into a snag or two there, and I was able actually to just run my fingers through. So as far as detangling with it, yeah, the slip is good on it. Like, it applies very, very easy. So the slip is good. So I could see that if you're someone that detangles with your leave-in, this would definitely help you to do that. And as far as moisturize, it definitely feels moisturized. I mean, it feels moisturized. It's one of the reasons why I love this leave-in, because it really does moisturize my hair really good. It's good. The last thing about it that it does say is that the peppermint that's in it is going to help to stimulate the scalp. I don't necessarily feel that tingling sensation that you would get when you have products with like peppermints or mints in it. I don't feel that, but I'm sure that it's just going to naturally work to the extent that it will work.
Maybe.
But as far as the other things, feeling moisturized, allowing me to detangle, my hair being soft, it, trying to control frizz, I feel like it does all of those things very well. I don't need anything from this leave-in whatsoever. Now, I have not tried anything else in the rest of this line, but from everyone that I watch and some of my YouTube gurus, I've seen this in several of their videos as a go-to. This line particularly as a go-to. So, and their hair all seems very similar to mine. So I would take their word and going with that. This is just generally a good line. I know that this is good here. So I would definitely recommend it. So let me know down in the description box. Remember, any popped up videos will be down there as well. If you have tried this before, did your hair feel moisturized? Were you able to detangle with it? How well did the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner work for you?
And tell me what you think.
Make sure you hit that thumbs up, the like, subscribe right next to it. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural.